welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make hamburger potluck soup. So let's start with the hamburger. I'm going to fry it up till it's no longer pink. So now we're going to add water, stewed tomatoes, carrots, green peppers, onions, tomato sauce, and celery. And let this cook for an hour with no lid. We're just going to simmer it. Okay, so let's start with water. I'm going to add 8 cups of water. The recipe will be in my description. I'm putting it in this pan only for my video, but I'll probably put it in the Dutch oven. It's called a Dutch oven. I don't know why, but it is. So all this will go in there and it will simmer for an hour. For the purpose of the video, I will do it this way. So we added the water. I'm going to add 2 cans of stewed tomatoes. Carrots, onions, green peppers, a can of tomato sauce, celery. Stir all this up. Looks so good. The tomatoes are too big, you can just chop them up with your spatula or whatever it is that you're stirring with. Okay, so now we're going to add seasoning. We're going to add sugar, minced cloves. I'm going to add an envelope of Lipton onion soup mix, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning from the envelope, pepper, and oregano. Okay, so this is all going to simmer for an hour with no lid. Then we're going to add macaroni, gazebo beans, and if you'd like, you can add a can of corn, which I'm probably going to do. Okay, let's wait till this starts to boil, then we'll turn it down to a simmer. Okay, so it's starting to boil. Turn it down to a simmer and let it go for an hour. Okay, so the soup is done simmering for an hour, so now we're going to add the gazebo beans, a can of sweet corn. This is optional, you don't have to put this in. And then we're going to put in a cup and a half of macaronis, and we're going to cook it till the macaronis are done. Put that in there. This is a cup and a half. Okay, so we're going to let this cook until the macaroni is done,